As the world marks the International Day of Zero Waste 2025, new data has revealed a staggering environmental challenge. 92 million tons of textile waste are generated globally every year. That's equivalent to a garbage truck full of clothing being dumped or burned every single second. This year's Zero Waste Day, observed on Sunday, is drawing attention to the fashion and textile industry, spotlighting how overproduction and overconsumption are driving serious environmental and social impacts, especially in the global south. According to the United Nations, textile waste doubled between 2000 and 2015, while the average lifespan of garments has dropped by more than a third. Clothing and textiles now make up around 11% of global plastic waste, and just 8% of textile fibers used in 2023 came from recycled sources. Much of this discarded clothing ends up in low-income countries where limited waste management infrastructure leads to open dumping and burning, releasing toxic gases and worsening environmental inequality. The UN says transitioning to a zero-waste model is critical, advocating for a circular economy where clothing is designed to be reused, repaired, or recycled. In Pakistan, the issue is significant as well. A study published in the Pakistan Journal of Scientific and Industrial Research estimates the country generates more than 270,000 tons of textile waste each year, over 19,000 tons from Karachi alone. Interestingly, the highest volume of textile waste in Pakistan is discarded by lower income groups. At the same time, affluent households classified as A+ and Class A are disposing of between 150 to 195 kilograms of clothing per year. One of the major obstacles to tackling textile waste in Pakistan is a lack of awareness. The study notes that even among educated populations, understanding of recycling and sustainable textile management is low. Environmental topics, including textile waste, are also largely absent from school and university curricula. On the industry side, textile businesses in Pakistan are often unaware of the financial and environmental benefits of recycling waste, such as revenue from selling or exporting recycled material. There is currently no cohesive strategy in place to manage textile waste at a national level. UNEP Executive Director Inger Anderson says the global fashion industry is contributing heavily to the triple planetary crisis: climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. She called for a shift to a circular economy that focuses on sustainability, reuse, and repair. Anderson emphasized that collaboration between consumers, governments, and industry is key to building a future where fashion is not only stylish but also sustainable.